Early human settlements were dependent on proximity to water and, depending on the lifestyle, other natural resources used for subsistence, such as populations of animal prey for hunting and arable land for growing crops and grazing. Livestock. Modern humans, however, have a great capacity for altering their habitats by means of technology. Irrigation, urban planning, construction, deforestation and desertification. Human settlements continue to be vulnerable to natural disasters, especially those placed in hazardous locations and with low quality of construction. Grouping and deliberate habitat alteration is often done with the goals of providing protection, accumulating comforts or material wealth, expanding the available food, improving aesthetics, increasing knowledge or enhancing the exchange of resources. Humans are one of the most adaptable species. Despite having a low or narrow tolerance for many of the Earth's extreme environments. Through advanced tools, humans have been able to extend their tolerance to a wide variety of temperatures, humidity, and altitudes. As a result, humans are a cosmopolitan species found in almost all regions of the world, including tropical rainforest, arid desert, extremely cold Arctic regions, and heavily polluted cities. In comparison, most other species are confined to a few geographical areas by their limited adaptability. The human population is not, however, uniformly distributed on the Earth's surface, because the population density varies from one region to another, and large stretches of surface are almost completely uninhabited, like Antarctica and vast swathes of the ocean. Most humans, 61%, live in Asia. The remainder live in the Americas, 14%, Africa, 14%, Europe, 11%, and Oceania, 0.5%. Within the last century, humans have explored challenging environments such as Antarctica, the deep sea, and outer space. Human habitation within these hostile environments is restrictive and expensive, typically limited in duration, and restricted to scientific, military, or industrial expeditions. Humans have briefly visited the Moon and made their presence felt on other celestial bodies through human-made robotic spacecraft. Since the early 20th century, there has been continuous human presence in Antarctica through research stations and, since 2000, in space through habitation on the International Space Station. Estimates of the population at the time agriculture emerged in around 10,000 BC have ranged between 1 million and 15 million. Around 50 to 60 million people lived in the combined Eastern and Western Roman Empire in the 4th century AD. Bubonic plagues, first recorded in the 6th century AD, reduced the population by 50%, with the Black Death killing 75 to 200 million people in Eurasia and North Africa alone. Human population is believed to have reached 1 billion in 1800. It has since then increased exponentially, reaching 2 billion in 1930 and 3 billion in 1960. 4 in 1975. 5 in 1987 and 6 billion in 1999. It passed 7 billion in 2011 and passed 8 billion in November 2022. It took over 2 million years of human prehistory and history for the human population to reach 1 billion and only 207 years more to grow to 7 billion. The combined biomass of the carbon of all the humans on Earth in 2018 was estimated at 60 million tons, about 10 times larger than that of all non-domesticated mammals. In 2018, 4.2 billion humans, 55%, lived in urban areas. up from 751 million in 1950. The most urbanized regions are Northern America, 82%, Latin America, 81%, Europe, 74%, and Oceania, 68%, with Africa and Asia having nearly 90% of the world's 3.4 billion rural population. Problems for humans living in cities include various forms of pollution and crime. Especially in inner-city and suburban slums, humans have had a dramatic effect on the environment. They are apex predators, being rarely preyed upon by other species. Human population growth, industrialization, land development, overconsumption and combustion of fossil fuels have led to environmental destruction and pollution. That significantly contributes to the ongoing mass extinction of other forms of life.